for the Weather Network and YouTube. This is what Maria has done to our waterfall. It's really bad. It's really bad. This cliff, this is a cliff. And this is my house. And this is a cliff. And that is what Maria has done. As you can see, it is a very, very, very bad thing. And the cliff is very, 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 very moist. And I don't want to fall. Yeah, what I meant by moist, I mean really moist. It is like heartbreaking, man, to see what Maria has done. She has ruined everything. Well, I think I'm gonna go show you the beach.
Where you going now? Let's go down around that water spot. Let's take your tour.
Ignore that. I'm gonna be on the news, but I don't care. But you can just listen to it and hear how, I don't know what you should call it, but how violent it is. All the foam. Yeah, like a foam pool. Maria has ruined everything on me. If I can get a nice view of this waterfall, it'll be good for the news. But anyway, right now I am really, really, really close near the waterfall. I am super, super close. And the ground is really moist. But as you can see how fast the water's going, like, it's just inspirational. How fast it's going. It's just, oh my god. That's like, this is the worst storm Newfoundland has had yet. It hasn't broke a bridge, but very bad. And look at the cord of a boat. It's tying onto this board. So don't break. And the cord is like totally loose. But that waterfall, man, is like a bad boom. But I hope you guys enjoy it. This is just a little video of Maria for you guys. Also, I'll be showing you it's sunny now for some reason. Well, my mom says that it's just because we have a little off switch of Maria, but she's supposed to keep coming. I just hope.
So this is the end of the video.
Yeah, we should go down there. Ham! You go down there where I was? I went right there and I stayed on that little island on that rock. I'll show you. But this is the last view of this. Over there, there was a little island of sand. I was standing on the rock. Now we are going to go around Parker's Cove.
I brought mine down to the place where I was all the time. Like if it's rough, it would be perfect.
But it's really sunny now because of Maria. The clouds are really nice too. But I really don't still think that she's over. But it's really nice. It's really hot outside. And the water is so calm for some reason. I like watching storms, but I just hope it's not over. Is my music playing? This is our beach. Someone's there. As you can see, is pouring water out of his boat. It's like really bad. I go down and show you, but I don't want to fall in a cliff. But we almost had a flood. Let's just keep it at that. See, we have a little bit of water. But I think she's gone. There's the gray clouds over there. I don't think she's gone. I'm standing right here and I can still hear the waterfall. It's at least the worst ever.